Negotiated a great price, but your final costs are still too high? The culprit might be your Incoterms. Today, we're breaking down EXW, or X-Works. It's the most basic and commonly used Incoterm, but also the most misunderstood. With EXW, the seller's only duty is to have the goods ready at their facility. From that point onwards, every cost and risk falls on the buyer. This includes local transportation, customs clearance, international shipping, insurance, and any unexpected charges. This total is your true landed cost. The benefit? Full control over your logistics and potential cost savings. The trade-off? You handle all the complexity and risk. Mastering EXW is key to true cost control. For expert guidance on sourcing and logistics, partner with Liunova. Visit our website to learn more.